With a few simple steps, you can make sure your air conditioner is ready for the hot summer months ahead. First, replace your filters. These filters should be changed regularly to reduce allergens and allow good airflow. Make sure you check the measurement of your filter so you can get the correct replacement size. Check your vents and make sure there's nothing blocking the airflow. This helps cool your home more efficiently. Outside your house is the condenser unit. Check the lines leading to and from the condenser to see if you need to replace any damaged or missing insulation on those lines. Once a year, you should give the condenser unit a deep clean. Turn the breaker off at the unit or at the breaker box. Remove the top. This process varies by manufacturer, so check your unit's instructions. Clean out any debris in the bottom by hand or with a vacuum. Check the fins on your condenser. Minor damage to these fins can be adjusted with a fin tool, but major damage may require calling a professional. Clean the coils with an AC coil cleaner like this. Spray the fins from the inside. Then let it sit and foam for 10 minutes. Spray with a hose to push the cleaner through the fins to the outside. Do not use a pressure washer. It can damage the fins. Rinse off the outside of the unit, then reassemble the top. Turn the power back on, and now you can enjoy your air conditioner all summer long.